simple but brutally effective X method to grow your models or AI models, OF or Fanvue, to 100K a month using this simple X strategy that I'm about to show you. Now, Sophie Wren does it really well. That's why she's screenshotted here. But you're going to start off by paying influencers. This is the easiest way just to shortcut the whole grinding process. Otherwise, you can grind the DMs, just cold outreaching. Influencers, simply just search social media influencer or other similar search terms on X and then just jump in their DMs. Otherwise, the other way is to search for influencers using a service like this, collabster.com, influencer shoutouts on Twitter. And on here, it simply just gives you a whole range of different influencers to look through, including the different categories they're in, how much they charge, etc., their reach, engagement, metrics, etc., etc. So you'll find them on there. And then all you're going to get them to do is simply just post a photo or video of you with just some compliment post, just some complimentary post. So for example, up here, you'll see Hermaine M. Sophie Wren is the finest girl on the planet. That's it. Notice there's no link or anything. And simply just posting like a thirst trap, whether it's an image or a video. And that's all you're going to get them to do. No links, no call to actions. And then what you're going to do on the models or the AI models account is simply just reply to each of these posts with something simple and another thirst trap. Oh, thank you so much. That's me. So Fran does this real well. And what you're doing is you're actually just leaving breadcrumbs. No one wants to be told what to do, these guys especially. So you just leave breadcrumbs and then they will just follow the breadcrumbs. And it works just like a Reddit funnel that I've showed you in another video, except instead of a subreddit, you're actually creating a community on X. So create a community on X, acts just like a subreddit, name it whatever. And then all you're doing is what I said, you're paying influencers to make simple posts. You're replying to them. And then what that's going to do is all these guys are going to see the posts. Oh, wow. And then you reply. So it's like, okay, that's her. Then they're naturally going to click on the profile to see, what this model is all about. Then they're going to see a community, and then they're going to join the community. And once they're in the community, you can just warm them up as much as you like and then post the call to actions within there, whether it's the OnlyFans, whether it's the Fanvue or whatever. And I guarantee you over time, they will be clicking that link because they're in this community, they're in this room, this subreddit, and they're just seeing one post after another, one thirst trap after another, slowly warming them up. So when they first join the community, join the subreddit, they might not want to click any call to actions, but I guarantee after a little while, they will want to click it and they'll want to suss it out because they just can't take it anymore. And then, so you have this little simple funnel here, leaving breadcrumbs. It works very similar on Reddit, as I said, except using a subreddit instead. And then what you're doing just to reaffirm, back up all this social proof, add more credibility, is you're just going to share like earnings milestones. And this in itself will make people curious and want to click on it. And then, as I said, they'll probably join the room to see what you're all about. And then eventually they're going to be clicking on that call to action. And then you couple this with the OnlyFans or Fanvue profile optimization tips that I've showed you in another video, because as I say, like, you can create the best funnel in the world, but if the profile itself is not optimized for a high conversion rate, then you'll be getting no one subscribing. So you could have the best funnel in the world saying, I'm not getting no subs. Oh, it's the funnel. X is shit, Reddit shit. But it actually just could simply be that the profile is not optimized for a high conversion rate. And there are little tiny things that just make the biggest difference. But I've shown them in other videos. I'm going to repeat myself on this. But that's it. So yeah, if you want a simple but effective method to grow your real model or your AI models, OnlyFans, Fanvue, or whatever, to 100K a month at least, then this is a very simple but effective method. And that Sophie Wren girl just does it exceptionally well. She never tells them what to do. You'll notice she never posts a call to action, and that is just the way to go, in my opinion. And it works. So as usual, if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.